In order to do line stitches, you will have to use the freehand line or convert an area to a line. So if you go in and insert some lettering, and I'll go ahead and just press OK. Right now these are areas. So when I right click on a piece, or on a letter, and I hit my space bar to go to my settings, you will see it says Area Object Stitch Properties. And in here, I cannot change to a line or, a run stitch. So what I have to do is convert them to lines. I can convert them to lines a couple different ways. One, I could draw my own lines, and that's with the freehand line. So let's say I zoom in on the T here, and it's easier to see in my outline view, so I can go up to View and View Outline. And here I can use the freehand line, so Create Freehand Line, left click to select it. And I can start at the bottom here. I will left click, come up, left click. Now a left click is a corner point, a right click is a smooth point. So I'm making all left clicks here, left click. And then I'll come back over here and left click. Once I'm finished, I can hit enter. If there is a point that I don't like that I made, I can hit the backspace key and go back one at a time. So again, I will do a left click and come over to the right hand side and do another left click and hit enter. Once I hit enter, it does create that line. I'll press escape to get out of the tool. I'll go ahead and change the color so we can see it on screen. Press OK, and it'll put that line stitching in there. So with that line stitching on top, I can delete the area. On the left hand side, I can see my stitch sequence viewer. I can left click on that area and then hold down the control key on my keyboard and then hit delete on my keyboard. So now that area is gone. So that is with the Create Freehand Line. Now with using these punch tools to activate it, you left click. You can create your line by left clicks or right clicks, or both. To go back one at a time, you can hit the backspace key. To finish, you hit enter. To get out of the tool, such as wanting to change the stitch type, the color, anything like that, press escape. Escape will get you out of the tool, and then go will generate the stitches. So now let's go to the E. There is a way that we can create a line from an area, and we can right click inside of the E. I can go up to View and View Outline. In View Outline, you can see that I do have the area selected. This will show me my vector lines of my stitch areas. So now, with it selected, I can go up to the tools underneath Outline, left click on Outline, and create a line from an area. Now this will create the best fit line that it sees in that area. I left click, and now you can see it is creating that line. Let's change the color so we can see. It will go ahead and generate the stitches, but I might have to go in there and change the shape around. So in order to do that, I can go back to my View Outline, so View, and then View Outline, and then I can go up to Outline and Edit Outline Mode. And you can now see that I've got my nodes that I can left click, hold, and drag to move. Now you can also see that I do have some arcs here that I might want to change. I can place my cursor over that red line. With it red, and with my cursor over it, I'll right click, hold, and drag. And that will kind of straighten it out. Right click, hold, and drag. I can also go over a node. Maybe I want to just delete it. I can left click on it to select it. Let's right click and hit delete point. And then maybe I can bring that up a little bit more, make it a little bit straighter. Same thing here. And then I will hit go. And now you can see that that is more straight. So by using the create line from area, you may have to go in and alter it a little bit. So let's go over that again. Right click on the area that you want to put a line in. I will go up to View and View Outline. In View Outline, I will go up to Outline and then create line from area. So you do have to make sure your area is selected. I can see that it's selected because it's shaded gray. Left click on that. It creates the line. Let me change the color so we can see it. Press OK. Let's go back to View and View Outline, and then Outline and Edit Outline Mode. And I can move the nodes if I'd like. I can also utilize some of the other tools that are in here, such as Adjust with an Arc, Adjust with a Line, and that is just by going up to Outline. I'll do Adjust with an Arc, and I will go from here to here. So I make 2 left clicks, one at my first point, one at my second point, and then Adjust with an Arc and left click. From here, let's go to here and left click. And I'll go from here to here and left click. And here to here, left click. To get out of the tool, I hit Escape. I can also right click and delete points. Right click, delete the point. Right click, delete the point, and then right click, hold and drag. So there are a lot of different ways that I can go in and I can change things around. I can also add nodes just by left clicking, holding and dragging too. So once I'm done, I'll hit the go button. You can now see that I do have my line stitches in there. I do need to get rid of the areas, so I'll left click on the E, hold my control key, left click on the S, and then control delete. Now I have those line stitches in there. If you need to change anything about the line properties, you can right click on the area, or I'm sorry, right click on the line, then go to your stitch settings, which is right here, or you can hit your space bar. By doing that, you can choose the different types of line stitching that you may have. We can do triple run, and we'll go ahead and hit OK, and we'll generate our stitches, and now we do have a triple run stitch. So I hope this helps. If you do need any help, please let us know. You can give us a call at 877-724-6400. Thank you.